It is potato harvest day. Purple potatoes. We're going to pick these up before we do the next rows. Here's the harvest from the first row. And we're going to do the middle row. Okay, row number 2. Hope it goes as good as the first one. Third row. Think so.
The time to do these was right now because the leaves were dead and the stems were still nice. The potatoes are in perfect form, and the problem would have been if we waited any longer, it's going to rain, and it's going to rain for a few days, and that would wet them and cause them to rot. We've already had 2 rotten ones in the row, but you can see the row, pretty good yield. And after we get done, like we did this first row, we raked it to get the rest out. And let's show them what we got from the first row already. This is what we got from this one row right here. That's that. And then we got these 2 rows now to do. So we're going to have a pretty good yield. We didn't use anything but the good dirt. No fertilizer. I did put spinosad on about 3 times, just a little bit right before dark. And just a little. And I didn't have a single potato bug whatsoever. And we had a problem with stink bugs. That's all we saw. And they left right after we sprayed. Nothing happened bad. And now we're racing against time to get these dug before the rain comes and wrecks everything. But we couldn't have waited any longer, so they didn't bloom, but they started dying like this. So you can see there was no way that potato was going to make any more because its chlorophyll is gone. So, and they look really nice. They're just perfect. And you can rub them, the skin don't come off real easy, so they're just perfect. Very, very good, nice potatoes. That's all. This is our final red potato yield. We do have 1/4 of a tractor bucket also at home, but here we got 2 5-gallon buckets and 1/2 of a bucket, and then we got the rest of this pickup kind of mounded up, and it worked fine because we beat the rain, and I'm pretty happy about that. And the tractor bucket's already under the barn, so everything is cool. Anyway, that's it. All organic and everything worked out. Yay! The garlic that we're harvesting, that we're laying out to dry. It's been out for about 3 days. Here's the rest, some more clumps of it. This is all the good garlic, and we have plenty more in the field. I still got to dig for hours. Hours and hours. We'll eat it though. We eat a lot of garlic.